Are you lonely? Looking for romance, companionship, or something more? Then Pen Pals may be right for you. Our online community is full of eligible men just waiting for someone to talk to, with so many varied options that someone just might be you. So unlock your heart and try something new. Pen Pals, your happily ever after is just a clink away.
When I get out of here, I'm gonna be big and sexy like these guys.
Big and sexy like these guys. Like these guys.
So say the homie, did you really mean what you said? That one day you want to be with us?
Yes.
Well, baby, today's a lucky day.
Oh, no, that's not what I meant. No.
So welcome back. We saw what happened yesterday. Not everything, but are you okay?
Sí, gracias. I'm okay. Nothing happened.
I ain't gonna be rough with you either. I'm gonna take my time.
Fuck that, I'm being rough, nigga.
Well, man, why don't you go last? You kinda thick.
Give a shit.
Well, shit, man, I heard a sloppy second, man. You beat the fuck out of booty hole, man.
Look at
You want some kind of grip, too. Come on. Look at me. Look at my eyes. Don't you see love? Don't you see love, man?
we gonna love you all right.
Yeah,
We gonna love you all night long.
You ain't gotta worry. You ain't gotta worry about them. If you just get with me, you know what I'm saying? When we gonna shave this shit off your face, you know, you gonna grow your hair out, get a little Kool-Aid, put on your lips.
Lorenzo? Lorenzo,
¿Cómo? Oh, hola.
are you ready for the interview?
Oh, sí, I'm ready.
Okay, so let's go ahead and start with your name.
Hola, my name's Lorenzo.
And what are you in for, Lorenzo?
Oh, I'm in for the, Grand Theft Autos, todo el pinche como lowriders.
Un momento.
¿Cómo?
¿Quién acá a mí?
Pásale.
Me llamo Eduardo. I am the leader of the Latin gangs around here. And they tell me one of my people had a problem with the fucking Mayates yesterday.
Oh, no, there's no problem, eh? They tried to mess with me, but I fucked them up, eh?
Órale.
Oh, yeah, they tried, man. I fucked each and every one of them up. They don't mess with me no more, eh?
Okay, está bien, está bien. I wish I could have saw it, no? But, if you fuck them up, what happened to your culo?
Oh, it was a funny story, Holmes. Yeah, what happened was, I was fucking them up, eh, And then I tripped over one of the guys whose asses I was kicking, eh, and I fell on my culo.
Okay, órale, man. But let me tell you this. You don't have to fucking worry about the fucking Mayates anymore. If one of those fuckers come to you, they get your face, you tell them, hey, you belong to my familia. So when they see you, and they try to give you some problems, my man, you tell them, I belong to Eduardo. Huh?
Oh, bueno.
So money says, La raza, mano, we got your back.
La raza, órale.
We got your back, you're nice. Tender. Slender back. Yeah. So they didn't give you culo?
Oh, no, they tried, but I fucked them up, eh?
Hey, do me a favor.
¿Qué?
Sniff this. Does it smell like chloroform? Hey, cut the fucking camera, I say. This ain't no peep show.